got our hands on one today. We're heading out on the water.
Spark out here. This thing is from one of Jason's customers and he's working on it, but the guy who owns it has no idea. So if you by chance own this Seadoo Spark, stop watching now, please. Into a spark rider and just we're cutting around in front of us.
Yeah, I knew that you would appreciate that.
I was like, dang it, we had a horrible start.
Yeah,
Choked up on our two-stroke.
I noticed that too.
Okay, your top speed has been 41.9 miles an hour.
Oh, that's what the speedometer even said.
Run 2 laps and I'll time both.
Okay. Okay.
Lap 2 was 47.5. I had to do some math because I didn't push the lap button. It just kept timing on.
Yeah.
Thank God I was screaming 48 flat.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Been waiting so long for one of these. I've been wanting the engine swap one since we first got started. But here we are. Don't have one. Just borrowing one from some guy. Wow. The startup was crisp. It was crisp. What a crisp machine. Oh, that's power. There you go. I gotta go back now. All right, Jacob, you ride it.
What the heck do I do with this pile?
Goes on the cigarette lighter.
Yes.
It looks like a...
Don't start it until you're out there, though.
Alright, well. It's actually not as slow as it seems. It's just so smooth it makes you think it's slow.
It goes really nice off the bottom, but like Jacob was saying to me, he was like, it goes pretty fast off the bottom and immediately it falls on its face.
Yeah, the initial hit is good. It's smooth. It actually picks up pretty quick, and then there's just not a lot there. It's just I
mean, it goes up to 41.9. So
yeah, the impeller is set up for that engine, and it has pretty good acceleration for what it is. The turning is very flat. It doesn't tilt over at all in the turning, which was interesting. I mean, I guess.
Oh, did you notice the throttle? You pull it, and it's like half second go.
Yeah, and I could hear the plastic creaking when I was going
Oh,
around
I
the
could
corner.
too. It was spooking me. I did
Maybe
the kind
1
of lap
second.
time I do with other things, where I'm like, yeah,
Here he comes, here he comes. Oh, he's
gonna hit us.
He's coming for the boat.
So,
So does it say anywhere on here if it's like the 90 or 110? Like, I don't know squat about
well, it
these.
felt like the 90.
I know that there's a 90. Is the other one 60?
I think there is a 60.
Okay, this has got to be the 90,
Dude.
right?
I don't know.
There's a 60 and a 90?
Because I think they're all tunes too, aren't they? It's like 60, 90.
Yeah, you
like,
pay more money for the software update that makes it faster.
Well, no, it's the aftermarket tune is 110, I think, and from the dealership, I think it's 90 and 60, maybe. I don't know.
You know, it
I
ain't
think
bad
90's
for
the
us
top.
slowing
The
it
top.
up.
We know about Seadoo Sparks.
This
We
thing
want
is-
one so we can engine swap it, not so we can know about the stock one.
Dude, this thing can keep up with a stock 650SX, no problem.
Oh man.
Or an FX1.
Yeah.
Okay, couldn't keep up with your FX1.
Yeah, not my FX1.
Baby, let's go! It looks like a Happy Meal toy, doesn't it? You get that from Ronald McDonald's and listening to that boat. That boat is rock and roll. And this is like listening to harp music. I don't know if you saw it, but we were catching air in the boat.
I saw guys launching.
And we were laughing our butts off. How did it feel? Is it fixed?
That seems good.
Ready to go back to the customer?
Ready to go back.